Honest review.
Oh, I don't think he likes it. You don't like it?
No, I do.
But
I don't remember it being milky.
Hello guys! We're cooking lumpiang Shanghai para sa kaibigan kong American. Ayan. This is for you, Teacher MG. I hope you will like it. Lumpiang Shanghai for our lunch. Yum, yum, yum. Papatikim natin sa kanya ito and ipaparate natin sa kanya kung gaano kasarap. Sabi niya kasi nakatikim na siya ng lumpiang Shanghai sa Amerika and super sarap daw. And tingnan natin kung masasarapan din siya sa lumpiang Shanghai natin. Let's see. Ipaparate natin sa kanya 1 to 10. So bye-bye guys. See you later. Another recipe. We're going to cook tofu sisig. So, ayan, nagpiprito na tayo ng sisig. So, ipapatikim din natin ito sa ating kaibigan na American kung magugustuhan niya. Pero request talaga niya tong sisig na to kasi natikman na rin niya tong tofu sisig na to. So, ayan, ang ginagawa natin ay nagpiprito na tayo ng tofu at meron akong naprito. Ito na siya. So, i-double natin fry siya para malutong. And ayan pa yung kasamahan pang iba. So, ayan. So, nagluluto pa tayo. Ayan. Mas ma-crispy, mas masarap. Ayan. See you later, guys. Ipapatikim din natin to. Ipaparate din natin siya ng 1 to 10. Bye! What is this video?
oh, you're just going to screenshot it. Very good. Lipat pa kayo dito. Lipat pa kayo dito.
I want to get the KFC but
Stay still.
I'm afraid.
Ma'am, kumuha ka. Meron ako.
Meron ba? Oh, sige. Ano? Sige.
Cheese.
Yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum.
Say yay naman, yay.
Yay!
Yay!
Oh, let's do the TikTok na. Okay. Let's go to TikTok.
Oh, we're gonna do the TikTok?
Yeah, then I eat.
Oh
Okay?
my gosh, our ano is cold na.
Get the lumpiang Shanghai.
Yeah.
Honest review, ha?
Okay.
It's not crispy anymore, sorry.
It's not crispy, but I like the insides.
It's not crispy anymore.
It tastes like healthy
Yeah.
and meaty.
Yes.
I like it.
Good.
I love it so much.
Oh, 1 to 10.
Then,
You.
maybe 9 because
9.
it's not.
Yeah, yeah.
9.
9. Because it's not
I'm
crispy
gonna try
anymore.
with the sauce.
You try with the sauce.
Pinoy.
With the sauce? Still 9? Yes, maybe not.
9.5.
Yeah, I was gonna say 9.5.
Because it's not crispy.
But this is really good.
Okay. How about that tofu sisig? Later? Later.
Okay, then.
Sige.
Oh, I want you to scoop it.
Go. Okay. You can use honest review.
Oh, I don't think he likes it. You don't like it?
No, I do.
But
I don't remember it being milky.
Because the mayo.
You don't like the mayonnaise?
Okay.
But I like the tofu.
Okay.
But when I had it, it didn't have the mayonnaise.
Really? Because we put mayo, right, Teacher Jenna?
Yes.
It's okay. Oh my God. Don't eat that.
No, it's yummy. Thank you.
The speaker.
Yeah, not anymore, Teacher Jeka.
Oh, it's okay. We can just.
It's okay.
Okay. Alam mo, naka-charge
Let's
you.
eat, guys. Let's go.
Delicious.
Yeah. Drink this 3 times.
Jessica is on a pineapple diet, and you know why.
The smallest pineapple. Shumai.
Oh! For my ano?
Smallest pineapple.
Whoa! Look at the pineapple.
Parang maliit na, pinakamaliit na pineapple ata nung nakita ko. Ano?
Oh, it's frozen. How can I eat this?
Oh, it's super frozen because I put it in
It's
the
kinda
fridge.
frozen.
That's why while we're waiting.
And then I can put sugar.
Yeah.
You can
Ma'am,
use
Wait.
wala na akong steak.
Sugar.
Isa lang yung binigay.
Yes.
Ayun, may isa pa.
So you take the pineapple and you put sugar on it.
Yeah. Come on, bring it on.
Wow.
Yes. Yes. I think it's a little spicy.
Yeah. Because of the
Okay.
red. This one is
I like
this one is
this one.
sugar and chili.
Let me try this one.
I hope it's good. Oh, it's called. Oh my god.
Mmm.
Juicy.
Mmm.
Juicy. What?
Pineapple tastes like corn.
Corn?
Mmm. Mmm. But it's yummy.
Parang ang layo naman sa corn.
Mmm.
Try this one. The other one.
Mom, ikaw rin oh.
Sugar and
Yeah.
chili.
Sugar and chili, yes.
Oh. Let me try. Mmm. 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 Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Itsura natin.
Mm. Mm.
Dapat kita dapat yung
The chili is not it. Are you gonna eat?
Yes.
No, we're just going to watch you eat.
Nakatawa nga sabi.
ASMR.
Yum. Patikim mo, Teacher Jeka, ng iyong...
1, 2, 3.
Patikim ng iyong P.
Mm-mm.
Cool. Patikim ng iyong P.
Are you eating?
P. Later and
Oh, okay.
Ay, frozen nga.
super frozen na.
Yeah. Ay,
Nilagay ko nga din para
Like
habang
it feels
nag-wait
frozen, but when
tayo.
you taste it, it's okay.
Diba? Malamig?
Pero masarap, Teacher Jeka. Matamis siya, Teacher Jeka. I like it.
I put it in the freezer eh.
I'm gonna miss Thailand's pineapple.
Yum.
America's pineapple is not this good at all.
Aww.
Not even close. You're gonna miss the fruit when you come to America. Because the fruit is so much better in Asia.
Yeah.
I'm gonna plant my own fruit.
How are
Mas masarap nga.
You keep yours, girl. You have that, girl.
Pero damot.
You know what? I was not going to say. I'm not saying yes to this
Parang sarap.
part. He gave me that one, and then I told him, oh no, because it looks spicy.
No,
and
it's not spicy.
And then he said like, no, I'm gonna put this here and you try.
Not
Okay,
spicy,
okay.
Teacher. Sweet pa nga siya eh. Pineapple mukbang. MG. Yum.
Oh, you guys also should eat this from a student.